narrow. Narrow means smaller than the section. Yeah? Because then half head of color, and we're gonna do this half head with bleach all of it. Okay? You ready to start? Amazing. There we go. This is the before, and here we go as well, the result of some of the highlights. Peroxide is the 20 volumes, 30 volumes. Yeah, amazing. So here is telling you, when you use a color, okay, with 20 volumes, okay, you can live from no color to one shade. So you can go 4 to 5 with 20. Okay? If you got number 4, you want 5, you can use number 20, and it's okay.
If I have 4, I want to go 5,
You can use
I
20.
can.
Yeah.
I can. Yes.
Okay? If you want to lift more than 2 colors, 2 or 3,
I put 30 volumes.
30 volumes.
Yes.
Okay? If we want to go even lighter, okay, like 3, 4 shades lighter, okay, we use 40 volumes.
40 volume for color, no bleach.
No, bleach is another thing. We're talking about color.
Color, okay.
Okay? With
I
bleach,
can put 40 volume for color?
you can.
Yeah. For open, huh?
Yeah, but
More
depends
light.
what you want, lighter color,
Yeah.
yes. But then for bleach it's the same thing. For bleach, if you want
Yeah,
20
I
volumes,
put.
but sometimes with 20 volumes bleach, you can lift a lot more than one shade. Depending on the hair, depending how damaged or healthy it is, okay? So this is more full colors because the bleach is stronger, so you can lift more with 20 volumes. You can lift up to 4 shades. Yeah? We good? Shade is, sorry, going from this shade to this shade. Perfect. Yeah, we leave it. Okay. Really good. All the way up, okay? We always start from the back. Do you know why?
Back? Okay.
We always start
Yes.
from the back.
Okay.
Do you know why? Because
here,
when this comes blonde first, we can wash it first. If we put it here in the beginning, it's very uncomfortable to wash it. Yes?
yes.
Perfect. So the back first, so if we need to rinse it, we can rinse it quicker and more comfortably, okay? Listen, perfect. This color to this color. But in colors like these, we call it shades. Okay? So, first, we're going to check if got grays or not. And how many grays? Is 50% gray or is 10% gray? Okay? This is very important because, as I said, you need to mix them base color. Yeah? Okay. So, second thing we check is what shade, what color the client wants. Okay? You can use the color chart or magazines. You following? Yeah. Amazing. To see what color is best for the client. Okay? So the client can show you a picture. I want this. Yeah? Amazing. Third point is use the most appropriate color products and mix the correct quantities. Right? So once we know the color and once we see what the client has, then we go there and we decide what to do. And we mix the right amount. Yeah? Okay. Then check that strength of hydrogen peroxide, which is this peroxide, okay, is suitable for the client hair condition. So once we know the colors we're going to use, then we decide what peroxide we're going to use, right? 20, 30, 40, 10, okay? color of the hair. Yeah. So you can tell her. That's
How
how
to know? How to know this? How to know?
because you can see this.
Yeah, for how to know she.
What colors do you think can look nice on you?
For you and black and red carpet.
Okay.
Okay.
Why?
Why? Because you skin. Why? I understand me for the time. Is good now, but help for you.
So when you're gonna have a client here sitting with you, you're gonna look at them, look at the skin tone, and then you're gonna realize, this is not that nice. This is better. You can tell her, oh, this color's gonna look nicer on you. But she's the one deciding. But you can just advise. Yes? If you come here and you say, I want silver, you are the client, right? So I need to do what you want. But as I know about hair, right? I can come to you and say, you know what? This color will look beautiful with your skin. Maybe the client doesn't like it, which that's okay. But you can tell her because you're going to see, once you see the client, you're going to see the skin. And you're going to be, I think this color is better for you. Okay? That's how you're going to see, by looking. Yeah? And sometimes you can just take the color, go to the client and put it here and show her. Yeah? Sometimes you can take it, sometimes you just can go close to the client, and this is required. Okay? That means you need to see how many shades, lighter or darker, this client wants to have. Yeah? Then, sometimes, if we do bleach or any light color, we can take a small piece of hair, okay, and try the color on top to see how it looks before we put it everywhere. Yes? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
I tried there before.
You can?
Later.
You can. You can. Just for you to be sure that it's going to be good. Yeah? Okay. Now, you can use a timer so you know when you do color. It's 30 minutes. Yes?
Color is 30 minutes.
Yes. Everything warm. And the color, hair color is very ashy. We need to neutralize it. Yeah? If the client has ash color and she wants warm colors, we need to neutralize the ash before and then put more. Yes? Yeah?
Now, I also know for semi-color. Huh? How to do semi-color?
It's the same.
Color and 20%. What is semi-color?
10 volumes.
Nothing more.
Yes, that's it. You're going to have a chart with the same colors. It's just is semi. Instead of permanent, that means that after a few washes, color will go.
I wash first, later I put.
No.
I wash.
You put the color on. You put the color.
I put color for
Normal.
10 minutes.
No.
For
12 minutes.
10 minutes.
20.
20 minutes. No, I put color for 20 minutes. 10.
20,
Volume.
25 minutes, 10 volume.
10 volume.
Yes.
Okay.
However, here,
Yeah.
it will tell you how to use it. Here is saying how much you mix it, and here, how long to leave it. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, okay? So, when you use this, any brand, you use, check it out, yeah? And it will tell you here, look. It will tell you here, look. It say apply on dry roots, leave it 35 minutes. It's telling you everything, okay? But if you got grace, we leave it alone. Semi-tint is for people that just want a bit of a change, but wants the color to fade. You understand? One is permanent, the other goes. Semi-tint is not permanent. After a few washes, the color goes.
Permanent is color for stain.
Stay. Okay? Amazing. Blue. Yep. Blue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share,